In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to export as MP3 file inside of Pro Tools. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Pro Tools like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go up to Files up here and click Bounce Mix. Then this page should be popping up, and here you can change the file name for the specific MP3 file. And down here you need to change a file type from WAV file onto MP3, like so. Then from here you can go straight down to location, or you can also change the audio if you want to do that, but change it to directory and then choose where you want to save this MP4 file or MP3 file and choose use current folder, like so. Then from here you need to click bounce, and then you can see here you can add the title, the artist, the album, or comment, and even the genre and track. But when you click on that, you need to click OK. And as you can see now, it is bouncing or rendering, exporting, call it whatever. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!